about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no...
Welcome back to the vlog. Ace to come peeking through. We finna go. We about to go to Trader Joe's. But technicality, because I need to leave the house to get food. And Ace is gonna help me pick out some vegetarian, vegan recipes for the Lowski. The goal is to spend $30 or less for the week. I already have, this hat is like linty as hell. I already have tofu and I have a little bit of shrimp. So we're gonna work with that and we're gonna work with some other stuff around it. As you can see, my tree is still, I'm trying to put my shoes on, that's why I'm like jumping around. As you can see, the Christmas tree is still up because this is the first Saturday home that I've had in like the last 2-3 weeks. And now after Christmas, and I can actually take the tree down, and unfortunately I have to throw it away. Oh, what did you do with the book?
I put it in there.
Oh, you put it back?
I didn't see that until I turned around.
Oh, you could have left it on the table. Thanks though.
Cause I was like, I know it's a sacred book, and I was having fun. I already went through it, so I know what the end looks like.
Okay, skip ahead, honey. So now we're about to go to Trader Joe's, and that's the mission. And then I'm coming back in the house, and then because the tree can't go with us, I have to throw it away. So I gotta take it out and throw it away. Which is sad. I'm a little bit in my feelings about it, but what can you do? What can we do? And that's my Saturday. I've been chilling and cooling and fooling and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna take my cute little bag that my aunt bought me for Christmas. She bought me reusable bags to do what I'm about to go do right now. Go grocery shopping. So, you ready, Asa?
I'm out. We ready?
Let's get it.
I'm so proud of how many bags we accumulated since living up here.
No, I have a lot. Yeah, I didn't know I was ever gonna turn into the bag lady. I'm like officially a bag lady.
My roly-poly-oly bag?
She's a bag lady for real. She went and got the Whole Foods joint with the wheels on it, like the older people be carrying.
You wanna see it?
Do you be using it?
Like, twice. I forget sometimes it's right in the corner.
That be the problem, forgetting.
But,
yo, so someone planted an entire pineapple in front of this tree, like by my house or whatever. But what's so funny is like they really like moved the dirt around and everything for Penelope. We named it Penelope the pineapple. This is hilarious. Day 2, it had made it on the streets of New York. All right, y'all, so we done pulled up to Whole Foods. We're gonna go to Whole Foods first, then go to Trader Joe's. So, I'm a Prime member. I have Amazon Prime, but I don't use my rewards the way that I should. So, Asa is about to help me use my good rewards. Oh, you haven't seen my new cam. This is the new one. She just looks way better. When I move, she moves, just like that. In a more sturdy situation. So, a man just tried to walk up to her and give her a bear hug, and we was gonna have to beat his ass. So he canceled that like me now. So we're about to go to Whole Foods. I'm trying to do like this whole vegetarian eating with a budget of $30 for the week. It can be done because I've done it before, but now Ace is actually gonna help me create meals so that I don't end up spending money eating out. So that is the goal. Let's see if we can accomplish it. I haven't physically shopped at Whole Foods since being here, but this is her shit, so we're gonna see what they're hitting on. That is on sale with Prime. Okay, so one of the things I looked up on the app was the vegan mini blueberry muffins, buy one get one free. So this is one of the things I'm gonna have like as a breakfast option. So they're $5.49, buy one get one free.
No, they're $4.99 for you because you have the Amazon, right?
Oh, yes I do. It was cheaper on my thing.
I thought it said $4.99.
Yeah.
But it's $5.49 if you're not. So you
That's fine. Alright, so we spent $14.67 in Whole Foods. Not too shabby. Alright, so we've now pulled up. We've now pulled up to TJ, aka Trader Joe's. Hopefully it's not packed, because when Trader Joe's is packed, it's a hot ass mess. Gotta get a cart. Mary, you have people that you know. She got friends at the damn grocery store that she knows.
I was only saying that because she was standing up on the thing.
That's what I'm like, you got friends? What is really going on? Okay, so Trader Joe's was success. In Ace's voice, success! So, on tonight's menu of what we about to whip up, I got a rotisserie chicken, so I'm gonna eat that, a baked potato, and some string beans. And then finally take down this Christmas tree that has to make its way to the garbage. My camera is in the midst of dying. It's literally blinking. So I'm excited because in the midst of me telling y'all my camera was dying, I had went to Best Buy while we were out because my sister bought me a second battery for Christmas, but she bought me the wrong battery, so I had to go switch it out. And I was a little nervous about it not working, and it's the right battery. It worked because we live. This is what I'm recording on. Damn, I need to look at my receipt and see how much it is because I'll buy a whole bunch of these joints.
Well, it's just about $39, so I'm pretty sure they're 40 something.
Oh, they're 40 something. That's not bad.
Not a whole bunch of those shits. Yeah.
For at least another one. That way I can have at least 3 batteries, because I go through these.
Well, that's a great investment, but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
That's a whole bunch of.
I would buy at least one more.
Okay, that's like 40
if that
bucks.
makes sense.
You paid $13 for yours, for the new one. Extra.
Yeah.
And your sister, I think she paid $39.99 because I looked at the screen. So they technically.
Oh, like 50 something. Mm-hmm. So no, 2 was fine then.
Yeah.
2 was perfectly fine.
I feel like if that was the case, you would have been got your shit.
Well, I just got a new camera, so I didn't even think about ordering extra accessories for it.
Did you trade in the old camera or did you just?
No, I still got it. It just, I have to pay to get the screen fixed.
How much did you pay for that one?
5 something. I think I paid 5 something for this. Y'all, I got out the shower and Chef Asa got the apron on and she is in the kitchen whipping up the yams. So she makes these fire ass mushroom based tacos, and let me tell y'all, the best thing ever. Is this Good Girls? Mm-hmm. This season 2?
Yeah. She
She back at the damn grocery store?
But she looks different. Got a new manager because they killed the manager.
Don't tell me.
Oh.
She didn't tell me already. It's already split.
Please hide your muffins.
Why, you gonna keep eating them?
I ate my taco and was like, let's go get another one.
This shit's gonna be gone by Wednesday.
They're gonna be gone.
I know. They'll be gone quickly. You honestly,
That's alright.
you can eat the carrot cake ones. I probably won't even eat those. You can have those.
What?
I like them, but I'm not gonna continuously keep eating them. Like, I'll eat the blueberry ones.
That's why I thought of the blueberries.
So then it works.
At least you got fruit.
That too. So she is whipping up the yams for me. I have to take down this tree because I was supposed to do it yesterday and I didn't do it. But my mom told me not to throw it away. Yeah, my mom said don't throw it away. She'll take it because she don't have a tree. She gave hers away.
Oh, okay.
But I'm like, Is that gonna
want
fit?
that.
She don't want it. She was like, don't throw it away. She said don't throw it away though. I don't know what to do with the mystery tree.
And it's definitely not going in the car.
It could fit in the car, but it's like, it's gonna take up space that doesn't have to go in the car.
Yeah, it's like unnecessary space.
I don't know what to do with the tree. If anybody out there wants a tree, can't you donate it to like a shelter or something?
Goodwill and get your tax and write it off.
True, but they're gonna try to sell it.
Yeah.
I just want to give it to a home, you know, a single mom who can't afford a tree. Next year, she'll have a tree.
True.
Something like that. I wish I would have did it closer to Christmas because it would have made sense,
Well,
but then...
most of the time, if you lay it out there on the sidewalk and just say, here, do you want a tree? Like, just put a note.
True.
Christmas tree. With balls.
True.
Christmas balls.
I think I'm going to do that because my mom's not
And
going
it'll
to
be
use
gone
this.
by tonight.
My mom's not going to use this.
Unless, oh boy, but don't, maybe not put it on our block, maybe put it
I
on
wouldn't.
a different block. Not this strip at all. I think we should go to like...
I would take it downtown and put it like where you know people be having all that stuff laid out. I would put it down there.
Okay, yeah, there we go. I think we can.
My good tree.
Alright, I want to let you know